Whenever you're doing a video here, there's always the cat that gets in the way. Psst, psst, psst. Right, so anyway, without further ado, let's get on with this video. Today we are having a look at the VooPoo Drag S. I already do own one, which is this one, a VooPoo Drag S that you didn't see the last time I reviewed this e-cig. I had another version of this, which was the Union Jack version, but that I had a bit of malfunction with it, and I had to get replaced with this thing. Now, as of the date of recording, as of this morning, I have had some issues with this. This will no longer charge. As you see, it is USB-C, which I do actually have a charging cable, which is this thing here. It's a quite long charging cable going to the mains. I've got one of them like mains extensions with USB connections on it, which actually does fast charge the phone, especially this phone, this Samsung Galaxy S. So Samsung Galaxy A51. Let's get the model right. So it does actually. I know. Let's see if it can focus it. Nope, it's not going to focus it. But never mind. It does actually charge the phone and anything that I plug into it, fast charge, and it works reasonably well. However, this thing will charge. Oh God Almighty, she's out using a little tray now. This thing will charge, but as you may be able to see on the little window there, not coming out very good. That's the compression of the video and probably the way that I'm recording it on my phone. But as you can see there, it is low battery. I did charge it this morning. I got 3, maybe 4 drags out of it. And then it just suddenly went flat. And sometimes anyway the screen flickers, which is not actually doing it right now. Nope. But it will flicker. However, yeah, so that is a well and truly done battery. But I do have this thing. Oops, excuse me. I do have this thing, which is also a VooPoo. This is a VooPoo, I think it's Argus or something. Yeah, Argus. Anyway, this one I originally bought for a friend, and they didn't really want it anymore, so they let me have it, or literally I bought it back off me mate. And but anyway, it still works anyway, so I needed a second. Smell-o-vision. I needed a second. God, that cat stinks. I needed a second battery. Ooh, what the hell has she been eating? Phew. Yeah. Anyway, I needed a second. This is definitely going to go up. I needed a second battery, as I've been trying to say. So I got this off my friend, and really it's a bit battered, it's a bit bruised. It works though. It's quite a good battery actually. I mean, it's probably about a year old. This one is probably just over a year old. I bought this whenever I did my original video, probably well over a year. Actually maybe nearly 2 years now. So look back at that for the full review of that this kit. But I thought of a nice little treat. Let's unbox this thing. So as you see here, look what I've got. You've got another one. I bought another one of them tanks. This is a 4mm tank, I'm pretty sure it is. It's still in its packaging. But basically, hang on, let's just see. Basically, it looks like that. So you have, hang on, let's see. Yeah, you have magnetic magnets on the bottom end of that. Hang on, let's clean that thing. Yeah, clean it. Yeah, so you've got magnets on there. You've got magnets inside where well, not inside where the connection is, but you've got magnets here, which is supposed to actually securely fit it to the actual thing. So as you see here, you just, oops, where is it? It just clicks on, and that's it puffing. So, sorry, using. And according to this is probably actually done more than what it's saying it has. I'm going to see. According to this, I don't think you can read that on the video, but according to this, it's done 1847 actions, or as it says, puffs, which really that's what it says it on there. So it's not really the but anyway, and we have, let's just see if I can get this. Oh, there we go. We have Simply Liquid, and this is the 11 milligram blueberry. Is it blueberry? Yep, it's blueberry. So if you can see there, I don't know if you can, but it is blueberry, and I bought 4 of them. I also got these 60 watts max PNP VM5 20, sorry, 0.2 ohms, 5 pieces. So there's 5 of them atomizers in there, and basically I'll just get, I'm not really gonna, but it looks a lot like that. You can see inside here, if you can see there's the atomizer. So that thing there is the atomizer, that's the tank. And then you've got this thing, which this says this product contains nicotine, which is a highly addictive substance. That's a bit false advertising, really, because this thing doesn't contain nicotine as it's packaged. You may put nicotine in this, so it's a bit misleading advertisement, I think. But you could probably put anything you want in it. I don't know. You could probably put cooking oil in it and it still work. It's just basically all it is a heating element, sorry. And which really, I was talking to a guy once where he actually was doing his own e-liquid, and he was basically using cooking oil, food colouring and flavouring, and that's how he managed to do it. God knows how he managed to get away with that. I don't know if it worked. He was asking me if I wanted some, but nope, I'm not going to take any third party or any jack of all trades oil. But if you see here, it is it's a Genie TT chip in it, which is fire fast and accurate extremely. It's innovate airflow system, and it is Type C port charges fast, right? So yeah, so I bought the dark grey model, so we'll just see if I can get this out. Right, so we're back, and yep, I've managed to unbox it, which that's just simply what the box looks like. It's really a cover for the box. This is the box, actually. So it's Drag X and Drag S. Mine's a Drag S. The difference between the Drag X and the Drag S is the Drag S has an inbuilt battery. The Drag X doesn't. You need to buy a battery addition to what the actual thing is. What actually is contained in that. The Drag X is just the container for the battery. The Drag S has got the battery built in. which really, I think this one was, hang on now, which was it? I'm not sure. I think it was about 20, probably about £39 this one was. I bought all of it for 60, so that was a bit of a good deal. They have a very good Christmas deal on at the moment. So that's your little bit of user manual. Very simple to operate. If you've operated any one of these, yep. So that's a bit of the service manual. You've got English. You've probably got multiple different languages in here. Yeah. There. Oh God. This always makes me laugh. This when it says, silicon, siligel. Do not eat. Throw away distinctly, or something like that. I always makes me think, has anybody actually ate this thing? They have it in all the packaging. I mean, I know why they have it, so it doesn't really, you know, if it's in transportation, it doesn't really go mouldy, but you know, it keeps all the nasties away. The nasties away, but yeah. Right. Oh, you've got these. These are the coils. So that is what the coil looks like. A brand new coil. I actually got 2 additional coils in here. The cat is once again going into the frame of the fucking... Oh, bloody... Yeah. She's an absolute nightmare. I'm going to switch on the vacuum in a minute. Right, so you've got... So I've got 2 extra coils. So that makes 5, 6, 7 coils I've got there. You also have a little dinky HDMI lead, which is good if you are in the car and want an extra HDMI lead for the car. That I might actually put in the car, because the one that I've got in there at the moment is probably too long, I must admit. And let's just see if I can get this bleeding thing out. Right. So there he is. Oh, freaking Trinity, come on, you bleeding madam, that cat is. Right, so, oh yeah, that does look nice. That actually looks really nice. I mean, let's just compare it to the other one. So that is that one. Let's compare it to that. Oh yeah, it's a bit darker grey. Well, sorry, that's the jet black one with a red stripe on it. They didn't actually have... They had one of these on display, but they didn't really have one actually in box. But she did actually offer to like box the display item up, and but seeing as they had all the ones there. But yeah, this looks really, really... I love these. I love the look of these. The leather feels really good. I mean, obviously it's not proper leather. It's like the what the hell? Psst. Trinity, what are you doing, cats? You're being a nuisance. And let's see if I can get the bloody thing. Yeah, so this is the standard tank. This is the 2mm tank. Actually, no, that might be a 1mm tank. I don't know. I think that's a bit shorter than the original one. Which is really, really actually why I bought the 4mm tank. Because there's some really, really, really stupid law out that the guy who owns the shop, that I am going to link in the description below. Not really affiliate link, but I wish it was. But it's just a good shop to buy from, especially if you're in the UK or in the local area. However, these ones, they can only actually really put on the sets. They can't really sell the big 4mm tanks on anymore. They can sell them separately, but they can't sell them as part of the kit. So that really, I mean, that wouldn't even last me an afternoon. That is really, really, really short. And also, excuse me, what I have actually, if you actually get the small tank, whatever it is, this thing doesn't really, it burns out your coals pretty much, quite frequently. But anyway, I'm going to have to get go, and yeah, so that is the look at the Drag S, VooPoo Drag S. I will put a link in the description below for this item. I will try and put as many links in below as I can, and I hope you all have a good Christmas. And yeah, and I will be hopefully putting another video just before Christmas, just as my official Christmas video, but I'll just see if I've got enough time. Anyway, without further ado, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. And if I don't see you before Christmas, Merry Christmas. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Oh, the sodding cat.